Did you know you can make a living full-time online? You don't have to go into an office or step foot in a workplace. You can make money from the comfort of your own home, be your own boss, work whenever you want, and you can make as much as you want. And these are not things that are going to take tons of time. These are things you can start right now. You're not going to have any money or make an initial investment. These are not things that require you to build a large audience over time. These are things you can do right now. I'm able to support myself fully outside of my full-time job just by doing some of the things I'm going to tell you about today. The number one secret of millionaires is that they have multiple streams of income. This is just one of the many ways that you can develop multiple streams of income. And some of these are so simple, you actually don't even need a computer. You can do them from your phone. So if you want to know how to make money online easy, free, and from the comfort of your own home, then stay tuned. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Sierra and I do videos on beauty, finance, and lifestyle. I work full-time as a mortgage loan officer and I have helped hundreds of people to become homeowners, build wealth, and to become financially free. I like sharing what I've learned through my experience in hopes of helping others become financially free, independent, and to make money moves. So something really fun and creative you can do completely online is to self-publish your own book. Now stop, because I don't want you to get intimidated or feel like this is super daunting. Anyone can make ebooks now. They don't have to be the most eloquent of books available. They don't have to be the New York Times bestseller. You can literally just sit at your computer, type about something that you're passionate about or you're knowledgeable about, and you would just want to share with the world. Maybe you want to talk about relationships and maybe your perspective is really dope and unique, and people will buy it because it's fresh and it's different. And it almost is an advantage if you are someone who is not even as experienced in writing, because it literally feels like you're sitting there talking to your best friend. Have fun with it. And once you're complete, you don't have to do anything and you literally can make money while you sleep. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a site and a resource where they will pay people to do simple tasks that need a human eye. I will leave the link below so you can check it out. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. You get paid for doing simple tasks, just literally using your eye on a computer. Another way to make money online is to narrate audiobooks. So audiobooks are a big thing now. They're not always recorded by the author. So when you hear those people that are reading the books, those are just regular people who read the book and narrate. And you don't have to have super high-tech equipment. You could use your iPhone actually to narrate. A site that I found that you can use to work as a audiobook narrator is acx.com, and I'm sure there's more. Freelancing sites do have posts for people that they need to narrate audiobooks, but definitely check that site out. So something that is super easy and takes a little more time up front but almost virtually no time on the back end is to create or sell digital courses online. So anything that you're passionate about or you know a lot about, you can create a course for no money on a site called BitDegree. And then there's other sites too that I'll list below. There's Udemy. There's a bunch of sites where you can actually create your own courses now, and people will pay really good money. Freelance on Upwork, Fiverr, Guru, or TaskRabbit. This is not things that require you to be some super skilled technician or graphic designer or artist or video editor. Think about things that you can do online that someone may need you to do that doesn't require a lot of skills. Or maybe you do have skills in video editing or graphic design, but there's so many different things you can do, really simple, easy things you can do to make money. It's literally like a marketplace for online work. If you are wanting to do something online to make money, guaranteed you can find a job on one of those sites. Sell products yourself on sites like eBay or Etsy. Become an affiliate with Amazon. One thing that I always know I can do, especially when I'm in a pinch, for money is to sell things on eBay or sell things online. I have actually created digital products that I sell on Etsy, and I make extra money that way. I just really want to drive home the fact that you can be super creative and create things that other people can use or buy, and you can make money from these things. You can sell handmade things, things that you craft. There are so many opportunities to sell things, and you just have to be creative and put yourself out there and put it online. Become a virtual assistant. This is something that has become super popular lately for people to do, and there is such a need for virtual assistants now. I work with lots of people in different industries, and they utilize virtual assistants, and you can make really good money. And being a virtual assistant, you don't have to have any specialized skills. As long as you can be resourceful and use a computer and be able to be a resource to the person that is using your services, then you can make really good money. The need for virtual assistants is exploding, almost that there's not even enough people to be virtual assistants. So definitely look into becoming a virtual assistant. Google sites that offer virtual assisting jobs. Of course, any of those freelancing sites I talked about, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, things like that, there are also virtual assistant posts on there. Definitely look into it as something you can do in your extra time to make really, really good money. Tutor kids online, and you can actually make up to $25 an hour doing this. There are sites like Learn for Good, Remote.co, Verbal Planet, Chug Tutors. I will create a list below for you guys, but there's plenty of sites where you do not have to be a certified teacher, that you can teach kids online, you can teach English online, and you can make really, really good money doing so. One that I rarely hear people talk about is becoming an online juror. You can actually serve jury duty online. There are sites such as Jury Talk, Online Verdict, Jury Test, Resolution Research, and Sign Up Direct. I will leave those below for you to reference as well. But instead of jury duty being something that's like so much of a chore because you have to get out of work and you have to get out of bed and you have to go and sit, you can do it from the comfort of your own home and get paid to do it online. You can test websites and give feedback. There's a site called User Testing that you can use, and I will link any other resources below, but you simply get paid to play on websites, to test them out, and to provide feedback to the developers who need that hands-on feedback. It's super simple, easy. All you have to do is play around on websites and give your feedback, and you get paid for it. Online transcriptionists make really good money. I've briefly talked about this in another video, but I will leave some sites below where you can do transcription work, which basically is when you hear someone talking, you just type out the words. You can find jobs on any of the freelancing sites that I've talked about, but there's also a plethora of other sites. There's Rev, Scribby, Transcribe Me, 3Play Media, QuickTate, Tigerfish, BabbleType, Casting Words, Workshop, Crowdsurfed, GoTranscript, SpeechPad, Transcribe.com, UbiQs, SpeakRite. The list goes on. There's so many opportunities for online transcriptionists, so definitely check out one of those. Another way to make money online is to sell photography. You don't have to be a photographer. You can even use your phone. You don't have to have fancy DSLRs. There is an app, and it's called the Foam app, and you can sell photography to stock image sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo, CanStock Photo, Big Stock, Getty Images, Alamy, Dreamstein, Deposit Photos, and more. So I will list those below as well. Especially with the way that technology is and phones are now, you can take really professional grade images. So yeah, I encourage you to take some pics and sell some to these sites. Another unique way to make money online is to become an online life coach. Yes, this is actually a thing. So Google it, and if you have a knack for inspiring others, then this is a super easy way to make money online. If you're in college, you can actually sell your notes. There's multiple sites that you can do this: Study Soup, Student VIP, One Class, Stevia, NotesGen, and Nexus Notes. I will again link those below so that you can check those out. If you take pretty decent notes, there are people that are willing to pay you for them. Online consulting is also huge, and it's blowing up now. So you can consult others on anything from cooking to relationships to health and fitness to anything that you want to consult others on. You can do that. You can do this on your own, or you can do it through any of the freelancing sites I've talked about. There's also some other sites called coach.me, and any more that I have I will link below. Okay, now stay with me on this one. You can actually sell your unlimited cell phone plan. Yes, so if you have one of those like older unlimited data, unlimited talk, unlimited data cell phone plans that you've been grandfathered in, people are selling these on eBay for $1,000. Like, I'm not even kidding. The reason people are paying for these is because the newer unlimited plans throttle down the internet speed as you use more and more data. And so the older plans are actually full speed for all of the data that you use, and they're worth a pretty good penny now. So if you've refused to upgrade your plan in years, you may be able to make a good coin. Become a call center rep, and you can do this from home. There are sites like Arise, Working Solutions that offer these opportunities. I will put those below. Just Google. There's plenty of opportunities to become a call center rep from the comfort of your own home and to make money. I talked about it briefly in another video, but you can actually sell your own t-shirt designs. You can sell them on Amazon, sites like Zazzle, Teespring. You can even do other merchandise. You can do mugs, pins. If you have a cool idea for a design or a saying, throw it on a t-shirt, and you don't have to worry about shipping things. Sites like these will create the product and ship it out for you. So all you have to do is think of something cool and slap it on a product or a t-shirt, and you make money while you sleep. And so lastly, one way that you can make money online is to get cash back on purchases. Every purchase that I make online, I also get money back. I use this site called Rakuten. Every time that I go shopping online, I get cash back. That's a simple way. If you're already going to do shopping online, you can actually get cash back. And they send you the money via PayPal or a check in the mail every 4 months. It's money that you make super easy and for free. I think my last check I got like a couple $100s. It's something fun and easy and a simple way to make money online. So I hope you guys liked this video and you found some ideas to make money online that are new and different and fun and creative and actually help you to make a decent amount of money online, and you can do from the comfort of your own home. So if you did learn about something you didn't know before, or if you heard about something you're gonna try, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be a part of the Honeybee fam. Hit the bell button so you can be notified of my next money saving or money making video, and I will see you in my next one.